You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe. And let's check what you really believe about yourself. So today I'm going to talk about something that quietly holding you back even if you're doing all other things right, limiting beliefs. And by the end of this video, you will be knowing on how to identify yours and start rewriting them for real results. Hi, I am Dr. Sana Sainuddin, dentist by profession, certified nutritionist, certified life transformation coach, and welcome to Power of Self. A limiting belief is a story that you have been telling yourself over and over that's been silently shaping your reality. It's the inner voice that says, I'm not good enough, I cannot have that kind of life, or people like me don't succeed. And the worst part, most of these beliefs were not even yours to begin with. They were formed through past experiences, things you heard growing up, or moments of rejection, failure, or comparison, and then your subconscious filed them away as truth. And so, what happens is every time you try to level up, these beliefs quietly pull you back down. And now, let's see why they block manifestation. Manifestation works when your thoughts, emotions, and actions are aligned with what you really want in life. But deep down, if you're believing that you are not worthy, capable, or safe to have it, your subconscious won't let it in. Why? Because your brain's job is to protect you, not to push you towards the unknown. So, even if you're visualizing your dream life, but a limiting belief running in the background can act like a wall. Remember, you cannot receive what you don't believe you can have. So now let's see how can you spot your limiting beliefs. Awareness is the starting point of any self-development journey. The more aware you become, the less power they hold over you. So let's get into something. How can you identify your limiting belief? Think about something that you want to manifest and complete the sentence honestly. Like, I want this, but. For example, I want to start my business, but I am not smart enough. Or I want love, but I always get hurt. Or I want to be wealthy, but I'm not born into money. That but reveals your limiting belief. It's just not a doubt, it's a program. And once you spot it, you can definitely change it. And now let's see how we can rewire it. So now grab a pen and paper and let's just get into the journaling homework. So step number 1, pick one thing that you want to manifest. Let's say it's about money. And step number 2, write down every belief you have about money. Like for example, money making is hard, or rich people are greedy and I will be not able to earn more than X. Step number 3, ask yourself, who told me this? Is this belief actually true? Is this belief actually helping me or keeping me stuck? And step number 4, rewrite them. Replace it with some empowering thoughts like, I am always open to new ways of receiving money. Money flows to me when I'm aligned. I can be wealthy and still be kind. Even if you feel like, you are just pretending it, not actually, because repetition rewires. You're not faking it. You're just retraining your subconscious to support you and not sabotage you. And just so you know, limiting belief always never sound negative. Sometimes it is disguised as rational or being realistic or being logic. Whatever it is, if a belief keeps you small, safe or stuck, even if it's being rational, that is still limiting. So we will be covering in the next episode about fear and doubt, because once you start rewriting these beliefs, fear usually seeks in. Don't worry, we will handle that next. And I want you to remember one more thing. Your thoughts shape your reality, but your beliefs are what power your thoughts. And my power fam, you're not stuck with it, because awareness is step number 1, rewriting is step number 2, and action plan is step number 3. And you have already started. And now you're choosing different. You're choosing power, and this is where the real shift begins. Here at the Power of Self, we are not just talking about the change, we are actually living it one belief at a time. So take a deep breath and let go of what no longer serves you, and comment down what's one belief you're going to release today, and let's talk in there. So thank you so much for making your time till the end, and this is Power of Self signing off. Until then, keep choosing the highest version of yourselves.